Hello everyone and welcome to Monica America on Capital TV Washington. Today we are bringing you highlights from the SABCVA Advisory Committee Eid Brunch and official video release event. It was a wonderful occasion where members of the SABCVA Advisory Committee gathered to celebrate Eid, enjoy great food, and discuss the organization's future plans and upcoming events. We had the opportunity to talk with several advisory committee members and guests who shared their excitement about SABCVA's growth and its vision for serving the community across America. The food was outstanding, with a wide variety of dishes for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. The highlights of the menu were the delicious Eid ki sevayan and the traditional besan ka halwa, which everyone loved. The meeting was filled with positive discussions, new ideas, and a shared commitment to making SABCVA even stronger.
हेलो दोस्तों, आई होप आप सारे लोग जो हैं खुश होंगे और अपने वीकेंड को एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे. आज साउथ एशियन काउंसिल ऑफ वर्जीनिया की तरफ से सबसे पहले तो आप सारे लोगों को बहुत बहुत ईद की मुबारक हो. और आज जैसे कि ईद की खुशियां यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, थोड़ा सा हम डिले हुए हैं, लेकिन हम जो है ईद की एक गैदरिंग कर रहे हैं. मेरे घर पे ये हो रहा है, तो ज़बरदस्त किस्म के खाने जो हैं हमने तैयार किए हैं अपनी साउथ एशियन बिजनेस काउंसिल ऑफ वर्जीनिया की टीम के लिए. तो हमारे पास ज़बरदस्त किस्म की सेवइयाँ हैं. आप चाहे पाकिस्तान में हो, इंडिया में हो, बांग्लादेश में हो, चाहे नेपाल में या कहीं पर भी हो, ईद का मज़ा जो है वो सेवइयों से होता है. देखिए कितनी ज़बरदस्त किस्म की ये सेवइयाँ हैं, और इन सेवइयों में आपको ज़बरदस्त किस्म का खोपरा और क्या कहते हैं उसको सीजनिंग नज़र आएगी. पिस्ते हैं, बादाम हैं, ज़बरदस्त किस्म की. चेक कीजिए, आप टेस्ट करेंगे तो आप यकीन मानिए आप जो है इंडिया में या पाकिस्तान में या अपने मुल्कों में पहुंच जाएंगे जैसा फैमिली के साथ मनाते हैं. तो मेरी पूरी कोशिश है कि हमारी जो एडवाइजरी कमेटी है वो उनको आज लगे कि वो अपने देशों में पहुंच रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास आने का मकसद है हमें उनको पूरा वो एक्सपीरियंस देना है जो उन्होंने इंडिया या पाकिस्तान में किया था.
First of all, Eid Mubarak. It's a very auspicious occasion when the kind of peace is going to be for everyone. So I'm really wishing a very, very happy Eid and a peace to everyone. And जैसे साउथ एशियन बिजनेस काउंसिल का मकसद है कि we want to help everyone. So उसके हिसाब से help and we want to have the peace everywhere. So wishing you all a happy Eid and Eid Mubarak.
आपने ना ये वाली दावत करके आपने प्रूव कर दिया, हैंड्स प्रूवन, कि फूड ब्रिंग्स पीपल टुगेदर, बिल्ड्स द कम्युनिटी. और जो आपका थॉट है कि साउथ एशियन बिजनेस काउंसिल ऑफ वर्जीनिया के सारे लोग अभी आज यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं, और जो हम काम आप लोग कर रहे हैं इतना सारा, जिसमें कि थैंक्स टू यू आपने हमको भी एक छोटा सा पार्ट बनाया हुआ है. सो दिस इज़ ऑसम and we are so happy to be part of this.
Food was delicious. Eid Mubarak to everyone, all viewers, Eid Mubarak. And we are here at Mansoor Bhai's place and the food is incredible. I can't believe he cooked all of this. This is amazing. Thank you.
Eid Mubarak. Thank you Mansoor Bhai for hosting us. This is amazing. The food was delicious. You can see my plate is totally empty. I've eaten everything. Dal, sabzi, most of all the paratha was awesome. Okay, it was such a delight. Freshly made parathas, absolutely delicious. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless. Happy Eid Mubarak. God bless the family. God bless everybody. Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो ईद मुबारक. और मेरी जैसे प्लेट देख चुके हैं कि मैं सफ़ा चट कर चुका हूँ. मैं तो अब आपसे ये पूछने वाला था कि खाना किसने बनाया ताकि मैं उसके हाथ चूमूं. यार मैंने तुरई खाई, भिंडी, दाल चावल, आलू पालक, और जो आलू और छोले की तरकारी थी जो हम हलवा पूरी के साथ खाते हैं. एवरीथिंग वाज माइंड ब्लोइंग. अभी निहारी और बिरयानी टेस्ट करनी है.
So first of all, thank you for hosting us. Thank you for hosting us, Mansoor. The food is really delicious. I really like the food. It was simple food like chapatis with bhindi and dal, but I really enjoyed the food. Thank you for inviting me and happy Eid Mubarak.
I enjoyed everything. The first sweet you told me to eat, the semia vermicelli, I guess. Oh, fantastic! Enjoyed everything. Eid Mubarak to everyone.
ना तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, आपकी खातिरदारी बहुत उससे भी कहीं कहीं बेहतर. ईद मुबारक आप सबको. Thank you for having us.
ارے کتنا کچھ تھا پہلے سیویاں دین حلوہ دین آپ کا کڑاہی وچ از امیزنگ جو آپ کہہ رہے ہیں کہ آپ نے بنایا ہے جو آپ کہہ رہے ہیں کہ آپ نے بنایا ہے اور بہت اچھا تھا اینڈ دین بریانی واز امیزنگ آلو کے پراٹھے بہت ہی اچھے تھے تھینک یو اور پیٹ بھر گیا اس کے بعد
پالک چھولے آلو پراٹھے اس سے پراٹھا نہیں بولوں گا میں آلو بولوں گا بہت زیادہ اسٹفنگ تھی بٹ بہت اچھا تھا اور سیویاں اور حلوہ اس کے اوپر چیری آن دا کیک بہت اچھا تھا اور لوکنگ فارورڈ ٹو سچ مور سچ ایونٹس فرام یور سائڈ اینڈ ٹیم سیم CVA is gonna do great.
Eid Mubarak to everybody at SABCVA and all our nice and great viewers for tuning in. Oh, I'm gonna go for as much naan as I can, some chole. You already know.
You're excited about that, right?
Very excited, without a doubt. All the sabjis, curries, everything's
So what is your message?
Just come on and join us at our events. Come by, buy a ticket and come by. You'll be astounded. The smart people you will meet, the networking, and the family you can create for yourself.
Thank you, Mansoor Bhai, for hosting this wonderful Eid celebration. It was really an amazing feeling to meet so many people that we work with to build SABCVA together. And the work that SABCVA is doing, especially in uplifting the youth of the community and providing them with all these valuable opportunities for internships and upskilling and making them employable, especially in today's environment where things are changing so much. So this is all very, very thank you for your leadership for doing this. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I wanted to wish everyone a happy Eid Mubarak today. We're celebrating with the SABCVA Council today. We're really happy that Mansoor Bhai has hosted us and he made amazing food. We're so appreciative to get together. Our team has these quick on-the-spot events, get-togethers, and we strategize and plan the next event and the next event. So we hope to see you all at the next event on June the 12th.
Well, we have a whole lot going on. This next Friday, we have a giant networking event. I believe it's upwards of 300 people. Our interns are going to be there. We're going to have important people there to network with, get to know. I highly recommend coming out. It would be a great opportunity just to see what we have going on. Right now I'm pushing the interns to grow their network, not just for SABCVA. I want to get the message out, but it's going to help them professionally. It's going to develop their professional network. So I'm going to have them start with their family and move on to their immediate extended network. And this is just going to help them grow. It's going to give them real life practical experience, and it's going to make them come out the end of this feeling like they've accomplished a whole lot, learned a whole lot, and they're ready for their next steps. So I'm really excited to be here. Right now I'm enjoying a wonderful brunch with the SABCVA team. Everything is lovely. The emotions here, the love here is absolutely fantastic, and I can't wait to see the next steps and how far we go.
Happy birthday, dear Hansha. Happy birthday to you.
Somebody has to sing. I don't know the song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One thing is certain, SABCVA has become a brand, bringing people together through culture, service, friendship, and meaningful community engagement. Thank you for watching Monica America on Capital TV Washington. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from our community. See you next time.